These are the top 5 fastest motorcycles in the world, going from insanely quick to completely outrageous. Let's start at number 5. Number 5 is the BMW M1000RR. This bike is a perfect example of German precision. It's the first motorcycle from BMW's high-performance M division, and it's basically a race bike that you can ride on the street. It's powered by a 999cc inline-4 engine, making 212 horsepower at a screaming 14,500 revolutions per minute. It goes from 0 to 60 in just about 3 seconds and hits a top speed of 189 miles per hour. BMW didn't just stop at power. The bike is light, aerodynamic, and fitted with carbon fiber wheels and downforce-generating winglets. It's a super bike that handles like a dream and looks as aggressive as it rides. At number 4, we've got a true icon, the Suzuki Hayabusa Gen 3. When it first launched in 1999, it took the world by storm, and it's still one of the most recognizable names in speed. The third generation keeps that legacy alive with a 1,340cc inline-4 engine making around 187 horsepower. Its top speed is electronically limited to 186 miles per hour, thanks to an agreement between motorcycle manufacturers to cap speeds. But don't let that fool you, the Hayabusa is built to go faster, and tuners around the world have easily pushed it well past 200. It's smooth, powerful, and surprisingly comfortable for a bike in this category. It's the kind of ride that feels like it could go on forever, very, very quickly. Now we step into the world of the truly absurd. Number 3 is the MTT 420RR, better known as the Turbine Superbike. This isn't powered by a traditional motorcycle engine, it's powered by a freaking jet turbine. Specifically, it uses a Rolls-Royce Allison 250C20 engine, the kind you'd normally find in a helicopter. It produces 420 horsepower and a ridiculous 500 pound-feet of torque. Its top speed? A staggering 273 miles per hour. This thing isn't just fast, it's insane. It's technically road legal in some places, but realistically, it's more of an engineering marvel than a practical machine. The turbine whine, the heat coming off the exhaust, it's like riding a rocket. Coming in at number 2 is the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This is a bike that looks like it was built in a lab by a team of speed-obsessed scientists. And in a way, it kind of was. The H2R is the track-only version of the Ninja H2, and it's fitted with a supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine. It makes 310 horsepower, which can increase to 326 with the ram air effect at high speed. That's enough to hit 249 miles per hour. It's also fitted with aerodynamic carbon fiber winglets to help keep it grounded. Every inch of this bike is engineered for extreme performance. It's loud, it's brutal, and it's not street legal because honestly the streets aren't ready for something like this. And finally, number 1, the undisputed king of speed, the Dodge Tomahawk. This machine is more of a science fiction fever dream than a motorcycle. Unveiled back in 2003, the Tomahawk is powered by an 8.3-liter V10 engine from a Dodge Viper. Yes, a car engine in a motorcycle. It puts out 500 horsepower and has a theoretical top speed of 350 miles per hour. That's right, 350. It has 4 wheels, but it leans like a bike and is technically rideable, though barely. There were only a few ever built, and they weren't intended for road use. The Tomahawk isn't practical and it's not legal, but it's a bold flex of what happens when engineers go wild with no rules. It's the fastest motorcycle concept ever built, and nothing else has quite come close. So there you have it, the top 5 fastest motorcycles in the world. From precision-tuned superbikes to turbine-powered monsters and straight-up sci-fi experiments, these machines prove just how far engineering can go when the goal is simple speed. Which one would you ride if you had the chance, and which one would you keep at a safe distance? Drop your thoughts in the comments.